So what I really love about the Z-4 scooter is, you know, I've talked to a lot of individuals out there in the industry, and one of the things that was important is to restore mobility, but not only that, to have the ability to lift a scooter into the car. You know, you buy a wheelchair and it might be 68 pounds or 65 pounds, and those are almost impossible to lift into a car for someone. So we took it to heart, and we designed the Z-4 was for that purpose. And let me show you what it does. We can remove our seat as one piece here. We can also remove our basket. Let's go ahead and remove our battery. And this is what makes Z-4 unique, is the fact that we can actually break this into two parts. So now, no one part is more than 28 pounds. We can remove our tiller bar as well if we need to take some weight out the front. Now I'm going to go ahead and just unscrew this all the way off here. Quickly unscrew this. And remove this. So with our scooter completely disassembled, this becomes the heaviest part of our scooter, which is less than 30 pounds. And this is the only thing that you can have to worry about lifting into the car. Your Z-4 mobility scooter, it deattaches into 5 pieces. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it together. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our front and our back piece, and we're going to hook it over and just pop it right into place. And you'll hear a snapping, and that's in place now. Let's go and lift our tiller bar. Unscrew this, get it to your desired angle there, and tighten that down. We're going to add our seat in, and really easy, seat post here goes right into this seat post hole there. Make sure you got that rubber grommet on there, because that makes a big difference on the ability for this chair to swivel. Let's get our battery in, and our last piece here is our front basket. And there you have it.